Is it going?
It's recording.
All right. Welcome to, what is it? Welcome to Rebuilding History 2025, I think it's our 9th episode.
Something like that, yeah.
So with this political climate in history taking a beating over the past few months, something needs to be done. So my wife and I decided to create a new YouTube channel that deals with presenting Latino American and African American history in a different way. Stay tuned for the first few episodes. Stay tuned for episode 9. Screw that up. So we got cards. Oh man, I gotta get the cards ready.
Can I hit stop?
I don't know where the cards are. We're gonna let this run. Yeah. No, let it run and I'll edit it.
Okay.
Man, where are the cards?
Are they downstairs?
They're in a big baggie.
Are they in?
No, they were here. You found the cards. You thought we lost them. A shuffle.
Okay, shuffling.
Everybody shuffling. All right, pick one.
Why don't you pick one for me and I'll pick one for you?
Okay. Close.
There you go.
Alicia Alonso.
Jesse Owens. Okay.
How come I get the tough ones? Alicia Alonso. She was a prima, ballerina, absoluta, and choreographer whose company became Ballet Nacional de Cuba in 1955.
Jesse Owens, an all-star track and field athlete who won 4 gold medals in the 1936 Olympics.
All right, let's see what these people did.
There we go.
Just hold on to it. Just let it run.
I can't pause it.
As are ready.
You're ready already?
Sometimes do what you want to do.
Okay, I'm ready then.
All right. Welcome back to Rebuilding History 2025. I got Alicia Alonso and you got Jesse Owens.
Correct.
So we're going to go men first. What the heck?
Okay.
Welcome to our quick spotlight on Alicia Alonso, a true icon in both dance and American history. Born in Cuba in 1920, Alicia became a world-famous ballerina and choreographer. But her influence reached deep into the United States. She broke barriers for Latin American dancers in America, starred with major ballet companies, and inspired generations with her passion and talent. Even after losing most of her eyesight, Alicia still kept dancing and teaching, showing us all what's possible with determination and love for the arts. Let's dive into the 10 reasons why Alicia Alonso's story matters so much to American history. She pioneered diversity in American ballet by being one of the first Latina principal dancers. Excuse me. She started with the American Ballet Theater, raising its international profile, inspired other Latin American artists to pursue dance in the U.S., challenged stereotypes and opened doors for minorities in the arts, showed incredible resilience by dancing even after losing much of her eyesight, which you said before, helped bridge cultural ties between the United States and Cuba through the arts, because back then it was kind of tying Cuban Missile Crisis.
Yeah, absolutely.
Brought new styles and stories to American audiences with her choreography, mentored young dancers across U.S. and Latin America, proved that art can overcome political and physical barriers, left a lasting legacy that still inspires dancers and dreamers today. So, once again, I learned something new. You can't teach a dog an old dog new tricks.
Okay, well, today I'm going to be talking about Jesse Owens, a man known for speed, strength, and spirit. He made history on and off the track and was born in 1913 in Alabama. His birth name apparently was James Cleveland Owens, but then he went by Jesse. He grew up in poverty and was he grew up in poverty, and when his family moved to Ohio during the Great Migration, he discovered his gift of running. And once he started, the world it was said that the world could never catch up. So he was the first to make headlines in college in Ohio State University. He had, in 1935, he was known as the greatest 45 minutes ever the greatest 45 minutes ever in sports because he set 3 world records and tied a 4th in 45 minutes.
Damn.
Dang.
Busy.
It was in 1936. It was the Berlin Olympics that made him made him a legend, a global legend. At those games held in Nazi Germany, Adolf Hitler intended to showcase white superiority, and instead Jesse Owens, an African-American man, stole the show.
And he didn't shake his hand when he won a gold medal. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a true story.
So he won 4 gold medals at that Olympics, one for the 100 meters, the 200 meters long jump, and then the 4x100 relay.
So much for the Aryan supremacy.
There you go.
There you go.
Okay, so here it is. His victory humiliated Hitler's racist ideologists and became one of the most powerful moments in sports history. So again, he... with his medals, when he returned home, he faced the painful reality that despite that he was an Olympic hero, he was the America was still deeply segregated, and so he never stopped running, not on the track, but towards justice, equality, and inspiration. It is said that Jesse Owens once said, and I'm going to quote this: "The battles that count aren't the ones for gold medals. The struggles within yourself, that's where it's won." So
there you go.
Yeah, talk about winning races in actual races and in life.
This is actually episode 7. I looked it up. It's not 8, so
I think you said 9 before, actually.
Yeah. 9, 8. So it's actually episode 7. So
okay.
All right, everybody, have a good night.
Good night.
Bye. Get that, please.